Lawlor has quickly made his mark on the international stage after a commanding debut for Wales against Kazakhstan. At just 19, the Cardiff City centre-back delivered a composed, assured performance, keeping a clean sheet and earning man of the match in a 1-0 World Cup qualifying win. Stepping in for injured senior players, Lawlor demonstrated defensive intelligence, pace and maturity well beyond his years, catching the eye of fans, pundits and former Wales stars alike. Wales boss Craig Bellamy was effusive in his praise, describing the teenager as a big plus from this week. We have gained a player. Former internationals such as Ashley Williams, Joe Ledley and Sam Vokes echoed these sentiments, highlighting Lawlor's poise under pressure. Williams described him as Craig Bellamy type player, while Ledley added he conducted himself as if he's been in the team for many years. Vokes meanwhile emphasised the composure Lawlor showed in such a high-pressure debut. At Cardiff City, Lawlor's potential has been recognised and rewarded. Manager Barry Murphy made it a priority to secure his services, and the club tied him down to a new contract until 2028. Barry Murphy underlined Lawlor's importance, saying, "I just make my feelings clear to the ownership about how important he is to the club, how we value him and where we see him for the future." Lawlor's development pathway has been impressive, making him a Cardiff City wonder kid, and the fans cannot get enough of where they want him to be in the future, with his technical skill, tactical awareness and adaptability. Predominantly a winger in his youth, he has successfully transitioned into a commanding centre-back, demonstrating versatility and maturity that make him a standout young talent. With his debut impact, growing confidence and strong backing from coaches and legends of Welsh football, Lawlor is emerging as one of Wales's brightest young prospects, a player likely to play a key role for both club and country in the seasons ahead.